First to sixth point. From first to sixth point, he tells about the suffering. He met an accident. Through that accident, he suffered a lot. So now we are going to see seventh point. Seventh point, he said that one morning. So one morning, several years ago, he witnessed one incident. So he called this incident as a Grand Prix. So the name of the place refers to Cape Town. So in that Cape Town, there is an hospital, Red Cross Children Hospital. In the hospital only he saw some of the incident. Through that incident only he discovered that I was missing something in a wrong manner about suffering. What he saw, what he saw, and what was the witness. He concluded that. Now we are going to see the eighth point. So eighth point he tells about that what happened on that day. So in the morning the breakfast trolley was left by the nurse. So very soon this breakfast trolley was commanded by the two crew refers to two children. So we can say the driver and the mechanic. So in trip refers to both children, the driver and the mechanic. So the mechanic, what in the sense, the mechanic provide motor power. The mechanic provide a motor power by galloping along behind the trolley with its head down. So what in the sense, the mechanic he pushing the mechanic pushing back the trolley, pushing back to the trolley with its head down, and the driver in the sense seated on the mower deck with one arm, and this driver by grasping his foot on the floor. The choice of the role was very easy because the mechanic was totally blind and the driver had only one arm. So this is the eighth point. So this is the incident witnessed by Dr. Christian Bernard. Through that incident only, he concluded that he concluded that my thought was in a wrong. My decisions was very wrong. So and then he tells about that. Ninth point, he said that they put a quiet show. So who put a quiet show? This is these two children. Who's two children? This is the driver and the mechanic. So they are moving the breakfast trolley. The breakfast trolley dash on the wall. It was like the people and the patients they are listening. They are listening and then seeing like it was like a great entertainment or great laughter or judging like a great show. And here the author described as a 500 car race, Indianapolis 500 car race. So and look like it's like a grand finale because the breakfast only dashed on the wall, scattered ware and then silver plates were lying here and there. At last what happened? The children has been get caught by the nurse and they have been get caught by the nurse and put into the bed because these two children were physically challenged because was totally the driver was only one arm and then the mechanic was totally blind. Tenth point, he said that he wanted to say what happened to these children. So tenth point, let me tell about these two boys. The mechanic was 7 years old. When the mechanic was 7 years old, one night when his mother and father were drunken, his mother threw a lantern at his father, but unfortunately it missed and it fell over the boy's head. Boy's head refers to mechanic head. His upper part of the body was severely burned. It was a third degree burn. He lost its eyesight. Hitler, he lost its eyesight. So at the time of Grand Prix, refers to, we can compare as a Formula One or the car race or Indianapolis. So here the author described as a Grand Prix. So here the breakfast trolley he compared as a Grand Prix. So during at the time of Grand Prix, he was walking like a horror. Who is walking like a horror means the mechanic was walking like a horror because his upper part of the head was severely burned. He lost his eyesight. He looking like a horror with a disfigured face. We can say his face was full of disfigured. Very hard to see his face. And then as his wound healed around its neck, the only way the mechanic wanted to open his mouth, he wanted to raise his head. So at the time of Grand Prix, what is Christian Bernard? He stopped the boy, and he see the boy. The boy said that we won. So sir, we won. and he was laughing. After that he was laughing, and he's going and he was laughing, and he said that we won. So these two boys, the driver and the mechanic, they never bother about their physically challenged. They are so happy. So this is the one witness. Through this incident, the author Christian Bernard, he concluded that I thought the suffering in a wrong manner. So next incident, he tells about the driver. So this driver, the author knew him before itself, because he only successfully closed a hole in its heart. So he knew him before itself. After that, what happened? He had returned to the hospital because he had a malignant tumor. So malignant tumor refers to surgical growth. Surgical growth after giving the treatment to the given to the treatment to the driver. Again he coming to and again he came to the hospital because he was suffering to the malignant tumor. So a few days before the Grand Prix, since before the breakfast rally, he came to the hospital, and its shoulder arm was amputated. Amputated refers to cut off by surgical operation, because he was suffering from cancer disease. So after cutting its one arm, the doctor said that there is only a little hope to it, to its life, but he never bothered about that. He was so happy, and he was enjoying in its life. So when the author stopped after the Grand Prix, after the Grand Prix refers to after the breakfast trolley dashing on the wall, the author stopped and is speaking to the driver. He said that, sir, the trolley wheels were not properly oiled, sir, but I am a good driver. I am great confident with the mechanic. He never bothered about the shoulder arm, or he never bothered about his friend loss of eyesight. He is very happy, and he enjoying their life. On seeing these two incidents, so far from first to sixth stanza, first to 6 points, he tells about the people suffering, and also he also suffered in his own life by met an accident with his wife. But in the seventh point only, he concluded that my thinking was wrong. After witnessing these two incidents, one incident refers to the mechanic, he lost his eyes. Another incident, the driver with one arm. So at last, what happened? He concluded that there is the business of living is nothing but in celebration of being alive. Suddenly I realized refers to Christian Bernard realized that these two children had given me a profound lesson. Lesson refers to, we can say, very good lesson in getting on the business of living. So business of living is nothing but it's a real sense of joy. It's a real sense of joy refers to each and every minute, or each and every day we have to enjoy our life. It's a real sense of word, not just because of pleasure, amusement, or recreation, not just because of doing anything else, but we have to enjoy our life in a happy manner. At last he concluded that the business of living is the celebration of being alive. The last point here, last 13th point, is very very important, because this is a good message for each and every one. I had been looking at suffering from a wrong end, because from point 1 to 6 he was looking in a wrong manner, but after witnessing the mechanic and the driver, he concluded that my thought was wrong. You don't become a better person because you are suffering, but you may become a better person because you have experienced suffering. Let me explain in Tamil so that you can understand. நீ கஷ்டத்தை அனுபவிச்சிருந்தா கண்டிப்பாக உன்னால் ஒரு பெட்டர் பர்சனாகவே மாற முடியாது. ஆனால் நீ கஷ்டத்தை அனுபவிச்சு இருந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக நீ ஒரு பெட்டர் பர்சனாக மாற முடியும். கண்டிப்பாக நீ ஒரு பெட்டர் பர்சனாக தான் இருப்ப. ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ மீனிங். யூ டோன்ட் பிகம் அ பெட்டர் பர்சன் பிகாஸ் யூ ஆர் சஃபரிங். ஸோ நீ கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு இருக்க, அதனால் நீ பெட்டர் பர்சனாக மாற முடியாது. ஆனால் நீ அந்த கஷ்டத்தை அனுபவிச்சு இருந்திருந்தனா கண்டிப்பாக நீ ஒரு பெட்டர் பர்சனாக மாறுவேன்றது அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. தென் we can't appreciate light if we haven't known darkness. நம்ம இருட்டே பார்க்கலனா லைட் அப்ரிஷியேட்டே பண்ண முடியாது. நார் we appreciate warmth if you have never suffered cold. ஸோ நம்ம அந்த கோல்டை வந்து நம்ம சஃபர் பண்ணலனா கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம அந்த வார்ம்த்தை வந்து அப்ரிஷியேட்டே பண்ண முடியாது. லாஸ்ட் 2 lines is very important. These children show me that it is not what you have lost that it's important. What is important is what you have left. நீ எதை இழந்தன்றது முக்கியம் கிடையாது, ஆனால் நீ என்ன விட்டுட்டு போனன்றது தான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஸோ with the help of these 2 children, the author learned that what you have lost that is not important, what you have left it's very very important. நீ எதை இழந்துட்டு இருக்க அது வந்து உனக்கு முக்கியமே கிடையாது. ஆனால் நீ என்ன விட்டுட்டு போயிருக்க, உன் லைஃப்பில் நீ என்ன விட்டுட்டு போயிருக்க, அதுதான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஐ ஹோப் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட் this lesson. If you have any doubt, please give a message in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.